So hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be creating the flag of India. I'm doing the flag of India because there's so much advantages in this country. Good food, good service, everything like that. So that's why I choose this first. P.S. This is the country which I was born in. So let's go full screen. As you can see, this is the Ashoka chakra. What the schools taught me actually. Okay, that means grass. And the top means saffron production. This white means milk in the Ashoka chakra, which is the invention that Mahatma Gandhi made. So we're just going to make that. So we're just going to do import turtle. Let's do flag is equal to turtle dot turtle. Turtle dot turtle. Note that the second one should be the uppercase turtle. Let's do flag dot here's one make over here. Then over here I'm just going to copy this, not just copy paste it. Then what we need to do is to do flag dot speed, which is 3. We need to do flag dot pen size. Here put 8. Here put 8. And then we need pen and flag dot color, which is navy blue, which is 05 to 054187. Don't forget to put a hashtag in front of it. And then let's do def draw over here, XY. Then we need flag dot pen up, flag dot go to and flag dot pen down. Now over here we need to do Ashoka chakra. Oh. Now over here let's just do paint. And what it is that here is the circle, and each sprite, and each one of these is one line. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, finally 24. But why 24? Because that much are the original states, like in the US. There are 30 lines because those are the number of the British colonies. Same like here, put the independence colony for us. So one line we have to multiply that by 24. So that's that. Let's not save. So over here we are doing for I in range. The range is 24. We need flag dot forward. Flag forward, backward, flag forward, backward, and left. Whoops. This is 80. This is 80. Whoops, whoops, whoops. And this is 15. So now let's test it. Oops, that is the finished result. It is I flag. It made it. It made to 24 of these. Let's just remove the space. What we need to do is to do draw 0 and then minus 80. Then we need to do flag dot circle. Last is 360, I think. And first is 80. Man, if I had triple montages, then you'll see. This is first drawing all the spokes. Where the hell is the circle? Okay. Here we are with the green banner. Still, let's call it green banner. Means grass slash algae culture slash algae culture. We need to do flag dot color. Green. And we need to do flag dot begin fill. I said before that I'm not going to copy, but I just want to make this video a bit faster, so I'm going to copy. It's flag.forward 350, flag.backward 700, flag.right 90, flag.forward 200, flag.left 90, flag.forward 700, flag.left 90, flag.forward 200, and flag.left 90. I'm going to share all this code. I'm going to share the source code in the link in the description as a Google Drive TXT file. So don't you worry. Then here's the Saffron banner. Then we are going to go to this orange/saffron banner. It means sun, means sunrise, sunset, and saffron. Now what is the customization here? It is first flag dot there's first flag dot right, flag dot forward, forward, and now this is left, and this is left, forward, left, forward, left, forward. Okay, first is 180, and second is 700, next is 90, next is 200, next is 90, next is 700, next is 90, next is 200, and this is gone. Now what we have to do is to just do flag dot end fill. I just forgot to do that. Just put it over here. And then we are finally finishing. Let's call this end forever window. Then we need to do turtle.done. And that's it. Let's test it. It is first drawing them. Sorry, my accent is a little bit different. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, ours has 52 lines, and this is 56 lines. What is the problem? Did I open the wrong one, or didn't I? Okay, I have many versions of Python. Choose 3.7. Okay. Coding. Sorry, I have to copy paste this and save this. There's just none other option to just copy paste it. I know you are not understanding, but I think I'm not a good tutor. Then why did I make this channel? It's okay, at least you can get the source code. Yeah. So if you guys liked the video, hope you did smash the like button and see you guys next time with my connections up. Bye. Dun dun dun.